Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by setting your project and saving the scene so Maya stores relative paths. This prevents missing textures later. Then open the viewport where you want the plane, and from the View menu choose Image Plane Import Image to place your file directly into the camera view. Pick the image and confirm color management and alpha settings so the image displays correctly. Once done, make sure the camera is the active view and that your image resolution matches your intended composition to avoid scaling surprises. Next, you refine placement by selecting the Image Plane Shape node in the Attribute Editor. This lets you control width, height, and center offset numerically for precise alignment. You should also adjust the depth and depth priority to push the plane behind or in front of geometry. This affects occlusion and interaction with other objects. Then, use Camera Translate/Rotate or Lock Transforms to refine framing and parallax. These steps create correct perspective relationships and prevent the image from. To finish, lock the image plane transforms or parent the image plane under the camera so it remains fixed during animation. This preserves composition as you move through shots. Then verify viewport texture display and resolution in display settings so textures appear crisp. If things go wrong, like a missing image, check the file path and project, ensure color management is correct, and confirm the file format is supported. Re-importing from the correct folder often fixes broken links quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.